Thrive amongst most young and creative minds in the Combworks student accommodation in Aberdeen. Experience comfort and creativity in your own cozy, well-lit studio rooms with private study desks and spacious wardrobes. Start your day with a refreshing shower in the spotless bathroom, designed to make you feel rejuvenated, and prepare delicious meals in the modern kitchen. After a long day of college, unwind in the outdoor courtyard, sipping on a perfect brew and enjoying the breezy evenings of Aberdeen. Or if you're in the mood for some friendly competition, challenge your peers to an intense game of table tennis in the lounge area. Getting around the city is a breeze with the Chestnut Row bus stop just moments away. Hop on a bus and reach Northeast Scotland College or Marischal College in a short 7-minute ride. For your midweek groceries, stock up at the Sainsbury's supermarket, and when the weekend arrives, treat yourself to some enticing Turkish cuisine at the Nargile restaurant. Don't miss out on this incredible student living experience. Reserve your room at the Combworks today by visiting amberstudent.com.